Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. From today onwards, I'll be teaching you about a new subject in the software engineering world. From today onwards, I'll be teaching you all about AWS or the Amazon Web Service. Throughout this course, you will learn about EC2, S3, RDS and other components of the AWS universe. AWS is a microservice provided by Amazon from America. I'll be teaching you all everything you need to know to face the associate level solutions architect exam in the exam from Amazon Web Service. I hope you all join with me throughout this course every day to follow up this course and to win this exam as easily as possible. So I welcome you to the next video to learn the first lesson from me. And I'll meet you in the first lesson in the next video. Till then, goodbye guys.